Huma Qureshi, Zayed Khan walked the ramp for Rohit Verma. Huma Qureshi and Zayed Khan recently walked down that runway at Bombay Times Fashion Week. The duo stunned the crowd decked up in designer Rohit Verma special collection. Their charismatic presence and confident strides elevated the show. They undoubtedly were the highlight of the event, making the designer's collection shine. Post the show, they shared their experience and thanked the designer for the opportunity. Speaking to Instant Bollywood, Zayed Khan stated, "Kafai waked ke bad main ramp pe chalahun. Lekin Rohit was just a buddy, called me up and said I want you to do this for me. And I just like this guy, bahut hai ek insan hai, nayuk insan hai so main bara excited ho gaya. I am walking on the ramp after a long time. Rohit is a friend and he called him up saying he wants me to walk. He is a good person and I was quite excited to do this." Nana post shared by Bollywood Now. Bollywood Nonan. On the other hand, Huma Qureshi was quite impressed by the design and jokingly stated that she might wear it on her wedding day. Huma noted, "I feel like an absolute beautiful Punjabi princess and I am so honored to be part of the show. It's lovely to have beautiful people and energy around you. As you can tell, the energy here is so infectious. The crowd was amazing, the music was lovely, the clothes were beautiful. I have already told Rohit I am keeping this. Although I don't know where I am going to wear it, probably at my own wedding." Huma looked elegant in a pink lehenga coupled with a blouse. She finished off the ensemble with an exquisitely embroidered ivory dupatta that she placed over her head in traditional wedding style. She also donned Shuddha wedding bangles and walked the ramp decked in heavy ornaments, adding to the bridal vibe. Zayed Khan, on the other hand, wore a peach and pink traditional costume accented with a shawl for a majestic look. The Bombay Times Fashion Week has brought a slew of Bollywood celebs together and turned heads with their eye-catching runway performances. Celebrities such as Manara Chopra, Surbhi Jyoti, Sonali Kulkarni, Mouni Roy, Sonakshi Sinha with Zahir Iqbal, and Palak Tiwari have graced the runway with their breathtaking outfits. Latest blogs.